Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to lock access to the Play Store on Android step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Apps option. When you spot it, go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Step 3. In the Apps menu, look for an option called App Lock. When you find it, tap on it to access the settings. Step 4. Now you'll need to enter the password or PIN that you'd like to use to secure access. This step is essential to make sure only you can open locked apps. Step 5. Next, tap on the search bar within this menu and type Google Play Store. This will help you locate the app quickly. Step 6. When the search results appear, you'll see Google Play Store. You might notice that the lock option is currently disabled for it. Step 7. Finally, simply tap on the Google Play Store option to enable the lock. Once you turn it on, access to the Play Store will require the password you just set. And that's it. You've successfully locked access to the Play Store on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.